Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. I hope you guys are all having a great day. Tonight for dinner, I made steaks. Potatoes, and then me and my husband are gonna have baked potatoes, and then asparagus, salad, and bread. So right now it's just gonna be the three because my baby was he didn't nap today, so like he's already in bed. So it's just gonna be the three for right now. But I cut some up for them already. Oops. I made asparagus, but my kids do not like asparagus, so I'm just gonna give them all salad. I also cut up some French bread, so I'm gonna give them all a piece. I hope you guys are all having a great Saturday. I have mostly just been like deep cleaning today and putting laundry away and whatnot, and we've just been hanging out at the house. But I hope you guys all have a great day. Me and my husband are gonna eat in a little bit, so I haven't plated ours yet, but this is what we're having for dinner. Thank you for watching. Bye.